What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And everybody is chasing the next meme coin currently in 2025. But what are the smart investors doing? Let's dive in right now and find out. All right, guys, how's it going? Hope you're having a great day. And a lot of people are paying attention to real blockchain innovation, projects that solve real problems, creating real ecosystems. In today's video, I'm going to break down 5 blockchain projects that you need to watch in 2025, not because of hype, but because of what they're actually building. That's right. A lot of people get hyped up about this stuff. They kind of don't know where to turn. So hopefully these videos are going to help you. And these are not just coins. They're foundations of the next generation of internet. So let's dive in. First project we're going to talk about is Ethereum. And I don't know if you guys have heard a lot about Ethereum. I've been looking more into Ethereum. I know it's a very popular coin on the crypto market right now. And let's be honest, Ethereum still leads the smart contract race. It hasn't changed very much in its 10-year life cycle so far. And with its recent upgrades towards Ethereum 2.0, it's now faster, more scalable, and more energy efficient, right? It's also a new way to use the internet. I mean, when you look at all the stuff going on, Web3 coming out, Ethereum is a new way to use the internet with its most amazing entire DeFi and NFT ecosystem that still runs mostly on Ethereum, and the dev activity here is absolutely unmatched, okay? It also has the strongest ecosystem as well of any coin other than Bitcoin right now. Now, whether you're into finance, art, gaming, or AI integration, Ethereum is the best way to go with base layer powering it, all right? And as you can see, it's a very, very effective coin, I think. And I'm really excited about it, and you can learn more about understanding it right here on the website. I mean, I'm learning more and more about Ethereum as I go, and I think it's going to have a lot of power in 2025. I think there's going to be a lot of push for Ethereum to be more widely adopted in the crypto space. All right, so the next project we're going to talk about is Avalanche, so let's do that now. All right, so now we're talking about Avalanche, and Avalanche is designed for speed. Blazing speed at that, and scalability. It's very scalable, and it uses a unique consensus mechanism, which is very, very cool. It's also very fast and powerful, and this allows it to process thousands of transactions per second with near zero finality time. I mean, that's crazy how fast this blockchain works, okay? So maybe you've heard a lot about Avalanche. I'm new to it, and I really am looking forward to learning more and more about it. I think it could be very effective, and it's not just for DeFi, governments, and enterprises that are experimenting with it, okay? Avalanche subnets to build custom blockchains. I mean, how amazing is that going to be for all of us out here that are in the crypto space, and we're thinking about how these projects are going to scale? What can we use them for? Is it going to be real life application? And in 2025, Avalanche is positioning itself as a real world adoption platform. And I think that is absolutely amazing. So guys, check out Avalanche. I think it's going to be an amazing project, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how it integrates and plays into other things going on in 2025 in the crypto space. All right. So next up, we are going to check out Chainlink. So we're going to do that right now. All right. So now we're talking about Chainlink, and I hope you guys are enjoying the video. I really do. Now, Chainlink is probably the most critical infrastructure that you don't see, as it connects blockchains to the real world by providing secure oracles. That's pretty cool, meaning smart contracts can pull in weather data, pricing fees, sports scores, and anything else you can name, okay? The standard for on-chain finance here. Lots of cool stuff. Chainlink platform, purpose-built for on-chain finance as well. Look at the amount, wow, look at its worth. That is crazy how much investment has gone into this blockchain, okay? It's absolutely crazy. And it's powered by the next generation of financial infrastructure. So that can make you feel really secure right there as well. And yeah, all these great features as well. And without Chainlink, DeFi wouldn't even work properly, because in 2025, it's about expanding into cross-chain communication, AI agents, and real-world asset tokenization. So I think that Chainlink is going to do some great things, and you can watch some videos on it here and just check out more of the website, learn what it's all about. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be excited for Chainlink. It's a project to keep watch for in 2025. So the next one that we're going to talk about is Cosmos Atom. So we're going to dive into that now. All right, now we're talking about Cosmos Atom, and Cosmos isn't just trying to be one chain to rule them all, because that's not going to happen. Instead, it's building the internet of blockchains. That's right, where independent chains can communicate, transfer assets, and scale together. How crazy is that? That's great, right? Many popular blockchains today, like Chronos or Osmosis, are built on the Cosmos SDK. Wonder if you guys knew that. That's pretty awesome. Designed to spec at internet scale, Smart contracts done smarter. You got IBC, your protocol's connection to the global digital economy. I think that's amazing. And you have the stack trusted by builders, a fast-growing global community. I mean, this is going to be really exciting. Smart building on the interchain together. That's what this is all about, because it's all about interoperability, which is key. If we want blockchains to grow and scale like the web did, then this is an absolutely amazing blockchain to keep an eye out for, okay? All right, so the next one we're going to talk about, and the final one in this list, is Filecoin. And we're going to do that right now, so strap in. All right, so the last one on the list, Filecoin. And if Ethereum is the computer and Chainlink is the data feed, then Filecoin is the hard drive, and you can watch a video right here on the website to see how it works. Now, I was going to play it, but there's sound, so I'm not going to bother. But anyway, go to the site and check it out. And what it is it's a decentralized storage network that rewards users for renting out disk space. Now, how cool is that? You're renting out disk space. Let's say you have a bunch of file servers, and maybe you're doing Bitcoin mining. Well, with this program, you're going to be able to rent it out and get paid for it. That's awesome. And in 2025, as AI and blockchain generate more data than ever before, we know that's been happening, right? Decentralized storage will be essential. Filecoin is leading that race. So guys, make sure you check out Filecoin. I'm really into it. Okay. Now, smart contracts, real world data, fast transactions, secure storage, and chain-to-chain communication are all vital. And they are what the blockchain needs to go mainstream. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comments. All right. All right, guys, so these 5 projects aren't just building hype, they're building infrastructure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for new videos every week. Make sure you turn on the bell so you get notified for videos on AI and crypto that matter. We'll see you in the next video.